Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to buy from KuCoin using the easy method. We will focus on the fast buy feature, which is designed for simplicity and speed. This method allows you to quickly acquire popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum directly with your local currency. It's perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a hassle-free transaction, bypassing complex trading interfaces. You'll be able to complete your purchase in just a few straightforward steps. To begin, you'll need to fund your KuCoin account. Head over to the Buy Crypto section and select Fast Buy. Here, you can choose your desired fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, and input the amount you wish to spend. KuCoin supports various payment methods, including bank transfers and credit or debit cards, making it convenient to deposit funds directly into your account. Ensure your payment details are accurate for a smooth transaction. Now let's execute your first trade. After selecting your fiat currency, enter the exact amount you want to spend. Then, choose the cryptocurrency you wish to acquire, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. The system will display the equivalent amount of crypto you will receive. Take a moment to review all the order details, including the price and fees, to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, confirm your purchase to complete the transaction. Finally, let's talk about security and your next steps. Always enable two-factor authentication to protect your account from unauthorized access. After your purchase, you might consider transferring your assets to a secure personal wallet for long-term storage. KuCoin offers many other features, such as staking or futures trading, which you can explore responsibly as you gain more experience. Remember to always conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.